everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm taking the KLE out for a little road test. So I've done a few jobs on it and I want to check it out. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is Sarah. I post motorcycle related content on YouTube every Friday. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Check back next week for more new content. And what a beautiful day it is to be out on the bike again. You wouldn't believe it, but yesterday we had snow and it is the middle of April. It's bonkers. It's actually quite unusual for us to have snow at all at this time of year. Yeah, here we are in the middle of April and we had snow yesterday. It's absolutely mental. And today it is an absolutely beautiful day out today, but it isn't very warm. It's only about 8 degrees C, so I don't know what that is. High 40s, maybe 50 Fahrenheit, something like that, so it's not very warm. And it's lunchtime, so I'm just out on a quick test ride on the KLE. It's a little local roads, back roads, really bumpy. I'm actually really pleased that I'm out on this, not on my Blackbird. So I've done a few little jobs on it over the last couple of weeks. If you remember when I took it for its MOT, it was running really badly. I've fixed that now. We are now running nicely. I've rejetted the carbs. So it's running really well now. Couldn't ask for it to be any better, I don't think. Pulls like a train when you want it to. It's never going to be a long distance touring bike, so yeah, I'm too worried about lots of top speed, but we're doing 60 miles an hour and it's not struggling at all, so all is good there. I guess the biggest thing I've done is I've stuck some new tyres on it. The original tyres were still on it when I took it for its MOT, and they were 14 years old. Yeah, not good. Really struggled to get them off the rim. The rubber had gone that hard that I struggled to stretch them enough to get them over the rims, which was a complete nightmare. But they're done now, which is cool. And they seem to perform very well, at least on dry tarmac. They are brand new. This is the first time I've been out for a ride on the bike since I put them on, so they are still being scrubbed in. But it does seem to be, they do seem to be doing the job. They seem to have enough grip on tarmac for this particular bike at least. So I went with the Mitas E07 Plus, which are a 50-50 tarmac and off-road tyre. I went with those because my intention is to use this bike off-road quite a bit. Like I say, they seem to be okay at the moment. I haven't really tried them on dirt or anything yet, so we'll see how they perform when I get off-road, which should hopefully be in a few weeks' time. I do have a really annoying rattle coming from the headlight. I don't know if you can hear it, so I need to fix that at some point. I think the lens is a little bit loose in the housing, so I need to resolve that. Shouldn't take too long, thankfully. So yeah, every time you go out on a bike you're just freshly built, you find something else that you need to sort out with it. really pleased with how the bike's running now. After sorting those carb jets out, it's running, so it's so good, so much better. Absolutely awesome. The third and final thing, set of crash bars. Picked them up second hand, actually from an ER5, which I think are EX500s in the States, I'm not really sure. The standard crash bars for the KLE come up high and protect the fairing, which I haven't fitted. So I went with some ER5 ones to protect the engine cases because I'm more concerned about them. Still need to make some guards for the radiator and do a few other little bits and pieces. But yeah, we've got crash guards now, so I'm a little bit less worried about taking it off-road and dropping it, which is good. So I picked the crash bars up off eBay. I think I paid about 30 quid for them. They were fairly grotty when they turned up, so I had them plastered and powder coated, so they look all nice and new and shiny at the moment, right up until the point that I drop the bike for the first time, which will be shortly after I take it out on the dirt, I expect. But it's what they're there for. I'm not too worried about it. This is a bike purely built for fun. I'm not too precious about its appearance or anything, so it will inevitably get dropped and dented and get scratched, and I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, as the weather was nice and it's not snowing today, I thought I'd take a quick test ride on the bike, check out the stuff that I've done on it recently. Really pleased with the way the tyres are performing, certainly on dry tarmac, and we'll see what they're like on dirt as soon as I can. Performing so much better with the rejet. The carbs actually wants to pull now and wants to go, so that's all pretty cool. And the crash bars, well, I haven't tried them out yet. I'm not home yet, so there's still time to try them out if something unforeseen happens. But hopefully I won't need them. They're not in the way with my legs or anything, so I take that as a win, and I'm sure they'll be good. If I do drop the bike, they're pretty sturdy the way they fix to the frame and stuff, so I'm sure they'll do fine. Like I said, I've still got quite a lot of things that I need to do on this bike to get it ready for proper off-roading. So I've still got to do a proper radiator guard, need to do some hand guards, more to protect the levers if I drop the bike than anything else. Anyway, we're nearly back home. Really quick video again this week, just out road testing the KLE after I've done those modifications. I hope you like what you see. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and check back next week for more new content. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It would be awesome if you did. I think at time of recording I've got about 920 subscribers. It would be really cool to hit that 1,000 subscribers mark soon. So yeah, if you're a regular here and you haven't subscribed for some reason, go on, hit that button. It's free. Why not? On, do it. It makes me smile and it makes me happy. Anyway, enough of that. Enough of me begging you to subscribe to my channel. If you want to, do. If you don't bother. Don't worry. It doesn't bother me that much. Yeah, if you're out riding, ride safe. The weather's starting to improve. Hopefully we won't get any more snow now. I mean, surely the middle of April's late enough for snow in the UK, so, especially in the south of the UK. So yeah, if you're out riding, ride safe, and I'll see you again next week.